Iruppu Falls is located in the Brahmagiri hill range between Srimangala and Kutta in the Coorg district of Karnataka, India, bordering the Wayanad district of Kerala. Iruppu Falls, also known as Lakshmana-Tirtha Falls, runs down through the Brahmagiri hills located in Coorg district, is a stream of Lakshmana-Tirtha River, a tributary of Cauvery River, finally joins River Cauvery. Falling from a height of 170 feet, Iruppu Falls is a sight worth remembering. A popular place to visit in Coorg, this waterfall catches everyone's attention, not only with its mesmerizing beauty, but with its thundering sound as well. In the middle of refreshing greenery of Western Ghats, with the sounds of birds and animals around in an otherwise peaceful environment, Iruppu Falls create nothing less than a heaven for nature seekers. It's a major tourist attraction as well as pilgrimage spot where devotees comes to wash away their sins. An often frequented picnic spot, it also visited by adventure-inclined tourists. The forest trails leading to Nagarhole Forest Camp and further to Brahmagiri Peak is quite popular among trekkers. However, tourists are required to seek permission from Forest Department before resuming their trekking. Without permission from the Forest Department, trekking beyond the falls is restricted as the whole place is termed as Wildlife Sanctuary. Lakshmana-Tirtha Falls signifies the religious importance of Iruppu Falls. As per Ramayana, Lord Rama, during the 14 years of exile in forest, he and his younger brother Lord Lakshmana were crossing Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats in Kurchi village during their search of Lord Sita after her abduction by the demon Ravana. Lord Rama had asked his brother to fetch some drinking water, and as Lakshmana was unable to find any source of water nearby, shot an arrow to the majestic Brahmagiri hills, which led to the origin of river Lakshmana-Tirtha. The waterfall is thus considered as holy and is visited by many devotees, especially during the festival of Shivaratri. It is believed that water of this falls has the power to free devotees of their past sins. On the banks of river Lakshmana-Tirtha, there is a temple dedicated to Lord Shiva known as Irpu Rameshwara temple. It is believed that Lord Shivalinga in the temple was consecrated by the Lord Rama. Hence, devotees seek blessings at this temple before bathing in the holy waters of Lakshmana-Tirtha. There are also shrines of Lord Ganapati, Lord Bhairava, Gandharva, Goddess Parvati at this temple. A Ashoka tree, which is symbolic of Goddess Sita's imprisonment by Ravana, stands in front of the temple. This worship place is surrounded by beautiful mist-covered mountains, luscious forests, waterfalls, and green paddy fields. The sacred temple is mainly located in the forest, which indicates that our ancestors worshipped Mother Nature. Now, this water river is the main source of irrigation to coffee plantations in the area. The annual festival of this temple is celebrated during Shivaratri, during which a fair is organized for the devotees a day prior to Shivaratri. On the day of Shivaratri, devotees visit Shri Irpu Rameshwara and take a holy dip in the Lakshmana-Tirtha. Devotees observe Jagrane or stay awake on Shivaratri, and various cultural activities like orchestra, drama, harikatha, yakshagana are staged to entertain the devotees till dawn cracks. Then devotees head to the waterfall, take a bath and prepare themselves for the puja. Lunch is provided to all the devotees at noon. Visitors can visit the falls throughout the year. No matter when you visit, The falls is sure to allure you with its refreshing beauty. However, if you want to witness its beauty at its zenith, then plan your visit during monsoon season or post-monsoon season. The best time to take holy bath in the falls is during Shivratri festival and during summer months. During that time, falls capacity will be less. During monsoons, when the falls is at full capacity, is a breathtaking sight, but due to the risk of flash floods, visitors might not allow to enter into the falls. Being a popular tourist attractions of Coorg, it can be easily reached from various other cities as well, such as Bangalore, Mysore, Madikeri, Virajpet, etc. Iruppu is situated at around 48 km from Virajpet, 260 km from Bangalore, 240 km from Mangalore and 120 km from Mysore, making it possible for tourists to plan a day tour to Iruppu Falls from these places. The nearest railway station to Iruppu Falls is Mysore railway station. It is about 110 km away from the falls. From Mysore, one can take locally run buses to Kutta. The nearest bus station to Irpu Falls are Kutta and Srimangala. These are 10 km away from the falls and are well connected to cities like Mysore, Madikeri, Virajpet, Kalpetta. One can hire private vehicles from Kutta or Srimangala to reach the falls. The opening timings of Iruppu Falls are from 6 am to 6 pm. To reach Iruppu Falls, tourists has to buy an entrance ticket near Rameshwara temple. There is a minimal entry fees of about Rs 85 per person. There is enough parking space as well. From the temple, travelers are required to walk for around 15 to 20 minutes through the forest. The journey through the forest is an experience in itself. Crossing the dense greenery with the sounds of bird chirping and water roaring is something that no traveler would like to miss. It's a moderate level trekking too. While visiting Iruppu Falls, there are a few things that must be kept in mind. As the water is cold with heavy flow without any lifeguard at the venue, it is advisable to be careful while venturing into the water, especially during monsoon. During summer, it's completely safe.